Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to unbox and take a look at the Budget Wireless Earphones from SoundMAGIC. So without further ado, let's unbox. I had ordered these earphones from Paytm Mall. Let's remove the outer packaging now. This is how the box looks like. These are some specifications given on the box. The price written on the box is 2699 rupees, but I have got these for 1599 over Paytm. I've even received a cashback of rupees 200 in my wallet, as there was some coupon offer included. You can even get these from Amazon as well as Flipkart. Let's open the box and take a look at what all accessories we get inside. Here is the user manual, which is printed in Chinese as well as English. And USB to micro USB charging cable, which is of average quality. They have also included a leather carrying pouch. It is of decent quality. Also has a SoundMAGIC branding on it. And here are the extra ear tips of different sizes. They have actually included a lot of ear tips of different sizes and textures. That's a good thing. Here is the earphone itself. You can see the branding as well as the model number on the earphones. Here is the remote, which is made of plastic. You can see the SoundMAGIC branding. On the other side we get 3 buttons: volume up, volume down, and take an and call key. The cord here is of average quality. We also have a clip, which will be useful as the earphones aren't magnetic. On the side of the remote, we get the micro USB port for charging the battery. The battery is placed in the remote itself. Let's try turning it on. As you can see, the LED indicators blinking red and blue. It is in the pairing mode right now. Connecting it to the phone now. The device is visible in the phone. It is now paired. Tried playing some songs via Bluetooth. The sound quality was above average. The bass, mid and the highs were crisp and did not get mixed with each other. I'll use these earphones for some days and try to give you a complete review about the product. Then stay tuned and please do subscribe, and do not forget to give this video a like. It will really make my day. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye. Stay tuned.